Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. In this tutorial we are going to see NIN. First of all, you have to understand when we can use this query. So this is always used when you don't want the value from that array. Suppose if you remember in last tutorial we have seen one field, we have class, right? So suppose I don't want to get the user from class 9, so we can use NIN and we can put the value as a 9, or we can use some field that does not exist, so it will just behave the opposite of in. So in means it will contain, and NIN means not contain in that group. So if you remember last tutorial what we have done, so it will always start with your field name. So field name is a class, after that use colon, and what we have to do, just open and close it, right? And here we have to use the keyword, right? So what we can do, just we have to use NIN, right? And always remember we need array bracket, right? So here we need to enter the value. So suppose if I will enter the value as a 5, so what will be happen, it will do query and will get the output of all the classes except 5, right? So just come, copy, now you can see, right, we are getting total output of 100, you can see 32, that means 182, right? So here 18 user are in class 5. So how we can check, just come and remove and run, you can see that. So it will just behave the opposite of in, so not in this query, right? So suppose if I will give here class 5 and 6, right? So now you can run. Here we will get output, right, approximately more than 160, right? Total 160 we are getting. So that means 40 user are in class 5 or class 6. So how we can cross check, just come, remove n and run, you can see, right, here we are getting total 40 user. So you understand when we can use in and when we can use not in. So it is just opposite of each other. So till now we have finished everything in the comparison operator: equal to, greater than, equal, in, less than equal, not equal, and NIN, not in. So please do more practice, try to append some more field so you understand how it is working.